Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce glutamate in the brain. Glutamate is a vital neurotransmitter, but too much can overexcite your brain. Keeping its levels balanced is essential for good brain health and overall well-being. High glutamate can contribute to feelings of anxiety, restlessness, and even impact your ability to concentrate. By understanding and implementing strategies to manage glutamate, you can support a calmer mind and improved cognitive function, fostering a healthier neural environment. Diet plays a significant role in managing brain glutamate. It is wise to avoid foods with high free glutamate, like monosodium glutamate, many aged cheeses, and processed meats. Also, limit certain fermented foods and long-cooked bone broths. Instead, prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. Incorporate plenty of fresh fruits, such as blueberries and cherries, and a wide array of colorful vegetables. Lean proteins like salmon and chicken, along with healthy fats like olive oil, can also support a balanced diet. Several supplements and herbs can assist in balancing glutamate. Magnesium is known to help block glutamate receptors, while vitamin B6 is crucial for converting glutamate into GABA, a calming neurotransmitter. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil can also help. Additionally, taurine and L-theanine, often found in green tea, may lower glutamate activity and boost GABA. N-acetylcysteine, along with vitamins C and E, also offer supportive roles in maintaining healthy glutamate levels. Lifestyle choices significantly influence brain glutamate. Regular, moderate exercise helps your brain clear excess glutamate. Incorporating stress reduction techniques, such as meditation or yoga, can boost your brain's calming neurotransmitter, GABA. It is also beneficial to reduce your exposure to neurotoxins, which can stimulate glutamate activity. Furthermore, limiting your intake of caffeine and alcohol is advisable, as both can affect glutamate balance and contribute to brain excitability, making these simple changes impactful for your brain health.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.